You're a vegetarian.
It's okay.
I know. Friends don't let friends lose at baseball, except when my friends let me lose. Listen, ready to make some food?
I'm excited.
Of the vegan variety?
This is vegan is one of my favorite opportunities to dive into different types of ways.
And to be healthy, right?
Make food and healthy and all of the things.
You've come to the right place because you can, in fact, transform any recipe that exists into a plant-based recipe. You know, want to know how I know this? Because I have friends in high places. Certified holistic health coach and author of Abuela's Plant-Based Kitchen, Karla Salinari is here.
Yay!
That's the book. Welcome back.
Thank you.
I love having my friends meet each other. I think you guys are going to get along just great.
I'm excited. So I'm a vegetarian.
Too. Yes.
But I love vegan, plant-based food. And so can you tell people the difference between vegetarian and vegan for those who are kind of figuring it out?
Yes.
Figure it out.
So vegan means zero animal products. So that's everything from meat to eggs and cheese and milk, whereas vegetarian is a bit more flexible in the dairy department. So they're not eating meat, but can often enjoy cheese and eggs and milk and butter. So that's the difference between the two. And a lot of people start with vegetarian or maybe pescatarian and then slowly kind of start making their way. And whatever works for you, in whatever order, whatever feels nice, and for whatever reason. If you're trying to, trying to improve your health, lower cholesterol, improve the risk of type 2 diabetes, manage your weight. These are all really simple ways, and you don't have to go all in. You can do it slowly. And really, we're going to talk about that today. I'm going to show you guys some really delicious swaps.
Let's do it.
Looks so good.
Let's do it.
Yes, so we're starting with breakfast. Pancakes are so popular. Who doesn't love a delicious pancake in the morning? What we're going to do to make them vegan is we're going to swap the egg for a flax egg. So you just mix 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds with 2.5 tablespoons of water. Let it sit. It becomes gelatinous, and it becomes our egg.
Oh, wow.
Right? We use it to make pancakes. Then we're going to move on over here. This is a delicious veggie burger. Same. We're going to swap out the meat. We're going to use our flax egg. We're going to use black beans for protein. 1 cup of black beans has 9 grams of protein. We're going to add some oats just as a binder and then season it. Whatever seasonings you like, whatever colorful veggies. You can add some vegan cheese or skip the cheese all in.
Hold on, your speed demon over here. I'm taking
She's good. She's like, let me.
I just want to go back to this flax seeds because in the grocery store, by the way, you at home, flax seeds have become more available. Are we doing flax seeds or flaxseed meal, like ground flax seeds?
Yeah, so these are ground flax seeds. So if you don't have ground flax seeds at home and you just have the flax seeds, you can throw them in a spice grinder and pulverize them. When you pulverize them, then you're able to create that gelatin-like consistency by mixing it with the water. And that's how you make not only pancakes, but you can make muffins and donuts and cakes. So there's so much you can do with a flax egg. Plus it's high in fiber. Omega-3s, it's great for hormone balance. It really is a superfood.
Okay. Yeah, are you a breakfast eater?
You know, I'm not. I'm not a breakfast eater. I know, it's terrible. I know, I should have said, yes, I am a breakfast eater.
Well, are we a brunch lover? Are we a brunch lover?
I'm a brunch. I have early lunch at 11:30.
Okay,
so, Yeah,
all
so
right.
I'm in the ballpark.
That's
I'm
all
in
right.
the ballpark.
That's right.
I'm in the
I like
ballpark.
that.
But
That's
this looks
great.
amazing.
So we have the veggie burger, which is one of my favorites. This really is a crowd pleaser, this veggie burger. It's so simple to put together. You can bring it if you're invited to a barbecue, and so that you don't feel out of place. You say here, and then bring extras, because it's always been my experience that whenever I bring the veggie stuff, the meat eaters come and eat all of our veggie things.
I've been there.
Guilty.
Right? Oh,
Guilty as charged.
Right?
I'm like, wow, that veggie burger looks good.
You know, and it's so annoying because you're like, you guys have all this meat.
That's right.
I'm the annoying one. That's me. That's me.
My little burger.
So here I have some cookies for you. This is my daughter's personal favorite. These are s'more chocolate chip cookies. And again, we're using a flax egg. We're using vegan butter and just a few other simple ingredients. And, you know, marshmallows. These are vegan marshmallows because marshmallows are not vegan. right? They're made with gelatin, which is derivative from animals. So they do have vegan marshmallows that are a bit more gummy, but they're just as delicious. They work well in so many delicious
Like
recipes.
that cookie.
Like that cookie.
I would
looks
like
amazing.
to put my friend Karine to work. Can we?
Yes, Karine, please.
Really?
We didn't put that in your rider. Must make salad
Must
with
make
Karla.
salad.
What
Must
do we
make
have
macaroni
here?
salad. So
Thank you, Karla.
this salad
Okay.
is very simple. So here we have some brown rice pasta. Again,
Okay.
if you're looking to up your fiber, right?
Closer.
And we're gonna add all the veggies.
Okay.
So here we have some peppers, some celery, some red onion, and here I have a secret mayo, not mayo dressing. Can you guess what it's made from?
Flaxseed.
I was gonna say flaxseed.
I know that's the common popular.
I see a theme.
So this is silken tofu. What?
Okay.
Silken tofu
Okay.
is.
So you added something new.
Yeah.
I did. I added
this is
something
great.
new.
That's
All right,
amazing.
sis.
Okay.
So let's start mixing it. So
Okay,
we'll
should I
start with the veggies.
Okay, do I start with any?
Sure,
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Okay,
It
here we go.
doesn't matter.
I'm gonna go quick.
Just
I'm
add
gonna go
them all.
quick.
Just
Okay.
add them all.
I'm gonna go
Yeah.
quick. I'm gonna go quick. I'm gonna take everything.
got
Add the peppers,
All right,
and
Karla.
you can get as colorful, as creative
It
as
looks
you
so
want.
pretty. It's always nice when it looks
Right?
pretty.
Yes, and this is a half a block of silken tofu, which is going to be our creamy,
How much do I put
non-dairy
in
base,
there?
as much as your heart desires.
All right, we love the
And that's seasoned.
There
It
we
has
go. I
a
think
little
I'm
bit of
just gonna
garlic.
Do it.
Do
yes.
it. Go big or go home,
That's
Karine.
what I
Just
like.
throw it all in there.
Oh, no. Well, would your Abuela be happy about this? Because I see the
La
name.
Abuela.
Yes,
I
so-
see the name of the cookbook.
Our family has been plant-based for many, many decades, so she would be very proud of us veganizing and making these recipes
love that.
vegetarian. But here, Marisol, we have some of the finished
See,
product
now you
for
have to
you.
eat. I made it.
Pardon my reach.
Yes,
See,
yes,
this was just, this was my,
Alright.
this
This
was
looks
my
so
plot to have you make us
Oh, I'm so
lunch.
sorry. This
No,
is
no, no.
your-
I'm very. This is just my way to have you make us lunch. So thank you.
You're very welcome.
We had a
I'm
twofer
here. I'm
here.
here. I'm here to serve. I'm here. I'm here to serve.
Great job, Chef Karla, as
Thank
always.
you so much.
Thank
Now we
you
know
so
that
much.
we can veganize any recipe you want.
That's right. Abuela's Plant-Based Kitchen. The cookbook is available wherever books are sold. Pick it up.
delicious.
You won't
Thank
regret it.
you.